If you are using Credit Karma, Identity IQ, or Smart Credit to check your credit scores, then I need you to listen up. These apps show you your credit scores true, and for a lot of you, your credit scores may be in the 600s or 700s, but guess what? These are Vantage scores. These are not scores that lenders use. See, you have two versions of credit scores. You have Vantage scores and FICO scores. A majority of lenders are looking at your FICO scores, so it's very, very important that you are not relying on Credit Karma, Smart Credit, Identity IQ scores, because these are not scores that lenders are looking at. They're Vantage scores. So you can go to a website called myfico.com and you can pull your FICO scores. These are the scores that most lenders use. And we have many different versions of a FICO score. FICO scores 2, 4, and 5 are what mortgage lenders are looking at. FICO 8 are the scores that a lot of credit card companies and lenders, like for personal loans and even auto finance companies, are looking at. So as you are embarking on your credit repair journey, it's very important for you to, at least in the beginning, in my opinion, pull your FICO scores. Now, I would also recommend pulling your annual credit reports from myannualcreditreport.com, because those reports are going to show you your true date of delinquency on any derogatory account or derogatory item. And it's going to also show you when those accounts or items are set to fall off. To learn more about this, please see link 1 in my bio. I have a free credit repair DIY course for you. And then continue to follow me to learn more about credit.